I recently got asked a question about building tiny home communities. I was told I was wrong, and I didn't know what I was talking about. So I put this video together to really dive deep into why there are not that many tiny home communities in the great state of Utah, and why they aren't as great as everyone believes. Hey, it's Jesse with Fisco Real Estate. Thank you so much for watching this video, and today we're going to be talking about tiny homes and some of the cons that are actually associated with those. And so we're going to jump right in and get started today. Number one, the zoning and building codes. Depending on your location, there may be zoning and building codes that limit the use of tiny homes as a primary residence. You may also run into issues if you need to hook up to municipal utilities or get a mortgage. Because most tiny homes are built on wheels, these are considered modular homes. Sure, you can put them on foundations, but you can do that with a modular home as well. Reason number two, there's limited resale value. While tiny homes are gaining a lot of popularity, they may not have the same resale value as a traditional home. This could make it difficult to recoup your investment if you decide to sell in the future. In fact, a lot of traditional mortgages won't even lend on these homes because they do consider them a modular home. Reason number three, they are a fad. You are spending $120,000 plus on a home that you have to haul with your car or larger truck. Do yourself a favor and buy an RV. That literally does the exact same thing. At least you can park your RV in a Walmart parking lot for the night while you are skipping town. Thank you so much for watching. I believe tiny homes, like anything, have a place. However, the highest and best use for a tiny home would be to put the property as an accessory dwelling unit on your current property to use as an office or an additional rental space, only if your city allows it. Be on the lookout for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe for more content.